Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. الوحدة الثانية ترويح للنفس حرف النداء يا vocative particle يا حرف نداء يدخل على الاسم المنادي. Ya is a vocative particle which is entered upon the noun which is called. So here when you will call a simple noun you will see it is marfu and we cannot use tanween with it. Ya Zainabu, Ya Auladu, Ya Fatima, Ya Badru. You see, we cannot use tanween with it and it is marfu. But when we use the particle Ya with the muzaf, it becomes mansoob. Ya Umma, Ya Aba, Ya Abda, Ya Sa'ika. So you see, it becomes mansoob only because it is muzaf. Rizwana, start from here.
From where? Uh, Harf harfun nida ya harfu nidai yad kulu alal ismil munadi udrus walahiz ya zainabu ya auladu ya fatimatu ya badru ya umma muhammadin ya aba ahmada ya abdullahi ya saikas sayyarati.
التدريب الأول أكمل كما في المثال. Complete like the one in the example. يا سعيد كل خبزا. Oh Said, eat the bread. So what will you write in the first one? Anyone?
يا
Ya
أحمد.
talibu.
يا طالب احضر درسنا. Okay. Next.
Ya auladu.
أولاد is plural word and سافر is singular word.
Ya waladu.
يا ولد سافر إلى دمشق. Next.
Ya ahmadu.
يا أحمد اسكن هنا. التدريب الثاني اقرأ الآيات التالية وحدد حرف النداء والمنادي. So he's asking you, give me a minute. So here he's asking you to point out the harf nida and the noun which is called munadi vocative. Ya ukhta Harun. So here ya is harf nida and ukhta is munadi. Next, what is harf nida and munadi in the next one?
يا إبراهيم.
Ya Ibrahim.
Next,
Ya abana.
next.
Ya
يا
bunayya.
بني
Ya
يا
bunayya.
بني
Fahamul Masmu. Here you will listen to the text, then you will choose the answer according to it. You will find it inshallah in Google Classroom. Takallam, speak. Tabadil wasf as-suri ma zamilika. Exchange the picture description with your colleague. Kaifa yaqdi kullu wahidin al-utla. How will each of them spend the holidays? So In the first picture, we can say he will spend the holidays watching TV.
يشاهد تلفاز.
So say something about it. Anyone can answer.
ويشاهد التلفاز.
Ahmadu yushahidu tilfaz. Ahmadu yushahidu برامج tilfazi. Satan aw sataini, like this. Then next one.
أحمد يقرأ
Ahmadu yakra'u
كتابا كتابا كثيرا.
kutuban kasiratan fil utlati. Al kutubu mufidatun. Okay, next.
أحمد يسبح يسبح.
Yasbahu kasiran.
Is this according to the lesson we did earlier, the answers?
No, according to the picture. In the picture, you see he's swimming.
So you can use any name, yeah?
Yes, you can use any name.
I'm sorry, I had my mic off, I didn't realise.
Okay. So you can use anyone. Then التدريب الثاني كيف يقضي صديقك العطلة? How will your friends spend the holidays? So basically you will ask each other that how will you spend the holidays? Okay. So two
What
students
is
need to start
نشاط
this.
صنع؟
Two students can start this one. I
What
think
is نشاط
Nashat means
صناعي؟
activity. Nashatun Sunai, binary activity. Basically, two students here wants that two students participate in this activity.
Okay,
Miss
like we're friends, yeah?
Miss Amina, you are first, and Miss Khatija, you are second, and other students will help you if you find any difficulty.
Okay. كيف يقضي العطلة يا خديجة؟
Kaifa
تقدينا.
Takzina.
sorry. كيف تقضين العطلة يا خديجة؟
أقضي عطلة في بحر وأسبح في الصباح وأقرأ كتاب في عشاء.
Okay, Akzi Utlata fil Bahri, Asbahu fil Bahri, wa akra'u kutuban kasiratan. Okay.
وكيف تقضين يا أمينة العطلة؟
يقضيها
Akdi, I spend.
sorry. أقضي العطلة أشاهد التلفاز
Okay. Ushahidu tilfaza fil utla.
أشاهد التلفاز في العطلة.
In this way, you just do this one. Then we have a taqayyim. Taqayyim in camping. Who recited the Holy Quran in the class last time?
رضوان
Rizwana recited. After Rizwana, it is Amina turn. What did Rizwana recited in the class last time?
Pardon?
Rizwana, what did you recite in the class last time?
Sir, I told the translation of that verses from Surah Rahman,
Okay, translation.
and then I recited the same.
I want that recitation.
شتوى عربين.
I
You
want
want what?
the recitation, the Hifzul Quran. Who
Oh
recited
no.
the Hifzul Quran recitation in the class last time?
No hips in this class.
Ayatul Kursi.
Ayatul Kursi. Who did Ayatul Kursi?
Reena.
Reena. Okay. After Reena, I think it is your turn, Rizwana, again. So Ayatul Kursi, after Ayatul Kursi, we have Surah Rahman, initial verses of Surah Rahman. Can you recite it now without looking at Holy Quran?
Yes, sir. I'll try, inshallah.
Okay.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان الشجر
No. والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفع وضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تكسروا الميزان والأرض وضع للأنام فيها فاكهة ونخل ذات الأكمام والحزب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال وخلق الجن من مار Sadaqallahul
خلق
Azim. Mr. Rizwana, there are mistakes in it, okay? You need to revise it again.
Okay.
Next time we will recite Surah Rahman from the beginning again. So you better all prepare it with
Inshallah.
slow speed.
Inshallah.
Should we start this lesson right now or should we start it next time?
Now it's open.
Sorry?
Next time.
Okay, next time inshallah we'll start. Any question?
Yeah. Was it Surah Rahman, first 10 ayahs you wanted us to do? Was it 20 ayahs?
You can do as much as you want. First 10 will be enough,
Inshallah.
I think. It is up to you.
I'm reading slow, so I'm making mistake again. If I read fast, it is
But slow
correct.
reading is needed again.
Yeah, so then it happens like this. Because mashallah, I know Surah Rahman
Okay.
to do. What is the treatment for this? I'm feeling so bad about it. From so many years, I've memorized and I can't. When I would go slow, I get stuck up somewhere.
I think when you will understand Arabic, then this will not cause any problem.
Inshallah.
When will I?
When you will start to understand Arabic better, then I hope you will not find this
Yeah, because
difficulty.
fast I can do it. All this. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Ma salama.
مع السلامة.
السلام.
Salama. Jazakumullah
Jazakallah
khairan.
khair.
Wayakum.
جزاكم الله خيرا.
Wayakum.